Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix battery drain in iOS 18.5. So I have a few tweaks for you to check out on this one. First one is we're gonna dwell in settings. First thing is foremost, go to display, and there should be around here saying main display turn on. Should be around under raise to wake. I think that's gonna be for iPhones 15 and above. And then if you see it right here, always on display, make sure that is turned off. Next one, after going on display and settings, I want you to go for privacy and security. This one right there. Go to location services and basically every application here that's saying that your location is being used while using or using currently, that's draining your battery. So I really suggest that turning this off. Next up, you're gonna see this one. Under location services on the very bottom, give me a second here, I'm gonna go back on location services. There is going to be system services. It's the same thing as location services, but this is going to be what's inside your iPhone. So just make sure that just choose which one are needed and then turn them off. Next one, go for general settings, look for it right there, click on it, and look for the one that says background refresh. This one right here. Make sure this is also turned off, meaning no applications can run behind the background even though your phone is going to be under turn off. Okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.